Hi, my name is Aralia. Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you have stopped by. Today's video is all around how to be sustainable with plus size style, leveraging a new garment rental service that's out there called Armoire. If you are new to my channel, the content that I provide here is all around style and fashion for the plus size mature woman. I fully believe that life is way too short to live without style. I post 1 to 2 times a week, so if you enjoy my content, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything here on my channel. Today's video is a brand collaboration with Armoire, a new garment rental service that has launched here in the Seattle area. That was pure coincidence, trust me. They did not know I was from Seattle. When they reached out to me, I was super happy to learn that they are a local company to me. But more importantly, it is a new startup and it is a woman-owned company, which I am fully in support of. So anytime that I can support one, a local business, and two, a female-owned company, I'm down. So I took a look at their website and liked what I saw and said, yes, I am happy to collaborate with you. I would like to extend a big thank you to Armoire for the brand collaboration. I do appreciate it. Now, I want to make it clear that this is not a sponsored video. They are giving me no monetary compensation for this video. What I am getting is a free month of service and a few garments for me to try on and review here for you on my channel. In full transparency, they will also be posting some content that I produce for them on their channel. Armoire is a different garment rental service from most that are out there that I'm aware of. And what makes them different is that they will have you take a style quiz. They also have machine learning in the background that is learning what your likes and dislikes are. You can go onto the website every day and take a look at their ratings that they have for you, and as you rate whether you like the item or you don't like the item, that data goes back into the machine learning algorithm and it learns what you like and what you don't like, so that what is presented to you is as relevant as possible to your tastes, which I really like that. So when you sign up for the service, I would strongly encourage you to go in at least every few days and do some ratings. Business attire is kind of the backbone of their mantra. They are very much about boss ladies, which I love. I think that that's super cool. One of the other things that I really appreciate about Armoire is that they are size inclusive, and that's very important, something that I am totally on board with, because even though I am a plus size channel, I always love it when I can find brands that have a range of sizes in the garments, from 0 on up to 2XL. If you happen to live in the Seattle area or the Pacific Northwest near Seattle, they do have 2 boutiques here. They've got one in downtown Seattle at Pioneer Square, and then they've got another one on the east side in a city called Kirkland, which Kirkland is actually on my side of things, so that would probably be the boutique that I would go to. So you do get the opportunity to go into their boutiques, try on the stuff if you're a member, and take it home with you if you are a member as part of your offerings. I believe you might also be able to return things to the boutique, which is a nice convenience if you happen to be in the area. They have different tiers that you can sign up for, the lowest being $149 for 4 articles of clothing. You can exchange them as often as you want. You're not limited to a certain amount in a month or anything like that, just at a time. And they do give you a postage paid envelope for you to send your clothing back to them. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into the try on portion of this video. The first shirt that I have here for you is this beautiful blue shirt from Equipment. It is in a 2XL. However, it runs a little small, I think, because it didn't fit me. It wouldn't even close on me. I'm showing you here that it is very tight on my arms, which, you know, that's to be expected. I get that a lot with shirts, but the fact that I wasn't even able to barely tie it at the waist was just kind of sad. I do love the color though. I think that this color is stunning, especially with this floral skirt that I'll show you next. But I think that this shirt would look beautiful with a pair of white jeans. I think that to me is just like you're at a resort somewhere in the sunshine, and it really, really makes me want spring to be here. Sadly, this shirt was brand new, but with tags and everything, as you can see it right there. But yeah, I wasn't able to make it work. The next garment that I have for you is this beautiful floral print skirt from Bowden. This is in a size 18, and it does fit true to size, I think. It is beautiful. I love the floral pattern. I love the colorway. I really, really love that pink grosgrain ribbon on the waistline. And it is very flattering, I think. I mean, pencil skirts, you know me and pencil skirts, I love them. And I think that this is a great piece for spring, or if you're going traveling on vacation, which is a really nice thing about these rental services, is that you can rent a vacation wardrobe without having to invest in buying one. And this is one of those pieces that I would have picked up to go out, you know, if I was going somewhere to a warm climate. Lovely, lovely skirt. I just can't get over it. I think it is so pretty and so comfortable. It is lined though, so it doesn't have quite as much give, but with the right sizing, that should not be a problem. The next garment that I have for you are these pants from Eileen Fisher. They are in a size 18. They do have flaps on the back end, but I could easily tuck those in because I don't need to bring attention to my back end. I really love this olive tone. However, the pant is fitting a little bit tight. I think that it is because I've gained a little bit of weight, because I know that I can fit, or I used to be able to fit, an Eileen Fisher size 18. That aside, these are so comfortable. The fabric is a thin cotton, I think. It's a brushed cotton almost, but they're really, really comfortable. The only thing I would say is that they do have a medium rise, and I do wish that on Armoire they had rise information, because I would have not picked these, because I don't really care for a medium rise. I much prefer a high rise pant. But other than that, I can totally see these working on the weekends. These are great, and they fit really well. They're supposed to be cropped, but me being petite, they fit me right at the ankle. The next thing that I have for you is one of my favorites, I think, and it is this beautiful blue dress from Adriana Papel. It is in a size 18 and the fit is great, but what I truly love about this dress is that very, very interesting neckline. That neckline is so retro. I mean, I feel like I belong in Mad Men, you know, and it is so cool, I think. It is a very, very business appropriate type dress in the front, but it's got party in the back, you know. It has that really nice mid V drop at the back, and I think that that's such a lovely detail all the way around. It really brings interest to this otherwise basic sheath dress. And I think that this is great for the office. I also think that this is a beautiful dress for date night, because you can do some interesting things with that back collar that it has. And yeah, really lovely dress. Even though it is a zip up, it fit well enough that I was able to put it on over my head, thankfully. Love, love, love this dress. I could totally see someone doing a really big presentation wearing this dress and then jetting off to a date night with it. The next garment that I have for you is this wrap dress from Gravitas. It is a size 1X and it fit me, but barely. But I do like it a lot. Now, I will say that it says wrap dress, but the only part that's truly a wrap is the top. The bottom is a faux wrap. It's sewn in, so it doesn't open, the dress doesn't open completely up, just at the top. It made it a little bit challenging to put on, not gonna lie, because it was really kind of confusing to figure out where my arm should go and all of that stuff. It is a lovely dress though. I would say that this is a great dress for if you've got a major presentation, or if you are going out on a date. This is beautiful date night dress, I think. Of course, the wrap style is universally flattering. It's going to look good on almost every single body type. I feel really, really powerful in this dress. I think with a bold red lip and minimal eye makeup, you totally rule the world in this dress with that look. The next dress that I have for you is this burgundy dress by Of Mercer. It is a 16 women's. It is a fit and flare. I love the fact that it has pockets. It is very girly, very feminine. I really like the swingy skirt. I think it was so much fun and made it so incredibly comfortable. And it has this implied V on the bodice that I really like. Being a petite, when you can see it up close, having that visual illusion of that V is actually very, very helpful. But I can see myself wearing this dress to the office. I could see myself wearing it out and about on the weekends. It's a great little vacation dress. Even with this rich burgundy shade that it's in, it doesn't really matter. It's all about the fabric and such. So really, really love this dress. I think it is so girly and feminine, and like I said, very, very comfortable. The next piece that I have for you is this capelet from Gravitas. It's in a 16 women's, I think, and I am so in love with this piece. I feel super powerful in this piece, and I am so thrilled to have it. I wish that I could keep it, honestly. And you are able to buy the articles if you like them off of Armoire. It's a great opportunity to try something trendy like this when you do a rental, because you get to try it out without commitment. And then if you like it, then you can buy it and have it in your wardrobe. This piece makes me feel so incredibly powerful and really fashion forward, and I love that. It's very comfortable to wear. It is keeping my arms nice and warm. It does have pockets if you need them, and I just think it's a great piece. It's a very versatile piece that you could wear with just about anything, and it's going to give you this like fashion edge. It's just going to make you look so I don't know, so I don't want to say on trend, because that's not it. It just will make you look so fashionable, I guess, and stylish. So yeah, love it. So this last top that I have for you is a Boden knit top. It is a navy blue and red, which I really love those two colors together. It has a really pretty floral print on it. It does have shearing on the collar and on the arms, on the wrists, and that's okay on the wrists. I'm not a fan of it on the collar because it's a little bit constrictive, but it does fit very well. It's made of this viscose or modal type material. I thought it was going to be a lot more heavyweight than it is, but it's not actually, and it's a great transition piece for the spring. I just wish that, you know, I didn't have that shearing on the neckline, which I knew it did, but I wanted to see what it was like. Not my favorite because of the neckline, but you know, it is a nice piece. And again, it's a nice thing about like a rental service. It's that you can try these out, and if you don't like them, throw them into the bag, exchange them right away, and pick something else. If you'd like to check out some more of my videos, I've left a couple of them for you here. Thank you as always so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Remember to live your life filled with confidence, grace, and style. I will see you in my next upload. Bye.